Hi, in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to make money. If you're interested in the world of AI and automation, then this is the video for you. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that has the ability to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This means that it can be used in a variety of ways to automate tasks and save time, which in turn can lead to increased efficiency and increased earnings. One way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to create content for your business or personal brand. For example, you could use it to generate blog posts, social media posts, or even email newsletters. This will save you time and allow you to focus on other important aspects of your business or personal brand, such as engaging with your audience and growing your following. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it as a customer service agent. You can train ChatGPT to respond to common customer questions and provide helpful answers, freeing up your time to focus on more complex customer inquiries. This will not only improve your customer service but also increase your productivity, allowing you to handle more customer inquiries in less time. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you save time and increase your earnings. Whether you use it to create content, provide customer service, or automate other tasks, the possibilities are endless. So why not give it a try and see how ChatGPT can help you make money? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.